Today we are opening number 8, LH Cosmetics Christmas calendar, day 8. I'm actually filming this day before because I will be busy on Friday. I know I won't be able to film. Number 8, 2 products. And we have, this is the first day that we get 2 products from LH Cosmetics. Usually the 2 products we get from Caia Cosmetics. But this is the Infinity Brow Pen in dark brown and taupe. I actually haven't had a chance to try any of these from LH Cosmetics brow products, so I'm very happy that I have them. So I'm definitely keep both of them. I love using pens. I do have a lot of eyebrow products, so maybe I should give one away, or maybe not. I like using 2 colors. Usually I use the light one first and then the dark one. Yeah, I'll keep this. I keep this. Ooh, that's really good. I love that. Worth money, actually. They are very expensive, but they're worth money. Okay, let's open the Caia Cosmetics number 8 or day 8. Something's heavy. And ooh, this one I do have. This is a Caia Cosmetics Soft Focus powder, setting powder, and I really enjoy this. This is the translucent one. I won't be opening because I do want to give this one away. I do have this already, and I think also I hate pan in mine, but I do have plenty of setting powders that are open that I'm using. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have Caia Cosmetics, the loose powder. I have the Nessa Myrex powder. I have, let me see, Huda Beauty 2-1. I have the white one or translucent one, and I have the pink one, or I don't know what it's called, but it's a pink one, setting powder. And then I have the Guerlain's, and I have Lady Gaga's brand. I don't know, I forgot the brand name, but I do have plenty of powder, so I'm definitely going to give this one away. But yeah, happy about that. And see you tomorrow.